Hello, welcome to Dyckman Farmhouse Garden. We are showcasing another growing uptown for you today. This one, it's gonna be an avocado cilantro sauce or salsa. And we're going to harvest cilantro. So for this recipe, we need 1 cup of cilantro. So you kind of have to eyeball it. So here we go. This one, it's a different kind of cilantro to what you will find in the market. It's a Chinese cilantro, but it looks very mysterious, and I think I'm all for making a sauce with this one. It will be my first time. Usually I get, normal cilantro, the one that you find at seed stores or nurseries. So I think I'm gonna mix this with a little bit of other cilantro I brought from home, and I can't wait to see how this tastes. And hopefully you are harvesting with me, all my friends who got grow kits in April. On April, you were given rosemary and cilantro and basil seeds and onions and beets. And so each of these workshops is tied to that harvest, right? To those seeds that we gave you, and hopefully that right now your plants are thriving in your kitchens. So this is our second Growing Uptown workshop for the summer. And let's see what comes out of it. See you in the kitchen. Hello. We're back in the kitchen, and we're gonna start this delicious avocado cilantro sauce. We're gonna start with half of an avocado, ready to eat like today, creamy, perfect. You wanted it to be just perfect. Half an avocado, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of maple syrup, 1 garlic, this is just like 1 clove, perfect, pepper to taste, and a quarter, you can add as much salt as you want to. I'm gonna add half a teaspoon just to start, 3 tablespoons of lime juice, and the secret ingredient, our amazing cilantro that we just harvested outside. We're gonna need 1 cup. 1 cup. 1 cup. So, I'm gonna add 2 different types of cilantro here. One that I brought from home, and this one. And it doesn't have to be exact, it's just you have to eyeball it, that's all. And leave it all fluffy. These leaves of the cilantro do look like cilantro, but they're definitely another type. I'm just curious to see how that's gonna taste. So I'm gonna do a mix here, because why not? And add a little bit more of this. Kind of like what we did with that basil mint fuchili pasta. We harvested like pink thyme and silver thyme, and purple Thai, and purple basil. It was all like new herbs that you can grow that usually you're not gonna find in the market. So that's what we're doing with Growing Uptown. It is backyard to table, but we're also experiencing different flavors, getting adventures here. getting to travel with through our palettes. I love that. Yes. So this is the cilantro we gave as seeds to the Growing Uptown crowd that got their grow kits. Let's see, a mix of both, why not? And we add it to our mix. Last but not least, our water. And let's go for it. That I was looking for. This needs a little bit more time so it gets more creamy. So I guess it depends on your type of blender. The blender that I have at home, I mean, it did take like good 4 or 5 minutes to blend it, but it came all creamy. We'll see how this one behaves. Just sit tight. want to achieve here is that it has, creamy texture, which it does, and that it's, you don't see the pieces of cilantro anymore. So, let me see. It does have the creamy texture that I'm hoping for, but it could be even more creamy. So if you want it more creamy, just keep mixing it, and it's gonna yield like 3/4 of a cup, half a cup to 3/4 of a cup, and you can add it to, well, any salad or use it as a dip. It's really simple. No, it's not guacamole. It has a different set of ingredients, and it's delicious. So give it a shot and let us know what do you think. Thank you for watching.